Hey, best friend, it's your favorite Auntie Koronda. Welcome to Real Talk and Reviews with Koronda. So go grab your coffee, tea, wine, whatever your poison is, baby. No judgment here. And let's talk about this tiny little thing called procrastination. You know, that sneaky little thing that says, I'll do it later. And later never comes. Well, baby, later is now. Now listen, I used to be the queen of procrastination, okay? I would have my pen, my paper, my highlighter, my notes, everything. And then I would talk myself out of it before I even started. Listen, one day I realized procrastination wasn't laziness. It's just fear wrapped up in cozy pajamas, baby. Okay, so let's break this down until a few auntie approved tips that got me off the couch and into my purpose. Okay, these are my 5 tips to beat procrastination and find motivation. Tip number 1, start small, really small, like minute small, okay? Rome wasn't built in a day, so don't try and build Rome in one day, okay? Just send that one email, fold that one load of laundry, or write that one sentence. Small wins build momentum, and momentum beats motivation any day. Tip number 2, stop waiting until you feel ready. You'll never be ready, okay? This is just it. Start anyway. The miracle happens in motion, not in your comfort zone. God can't bless steps you don't even take, baby, okay? Tip number 3, speak life over yourself. Your words shape your world. So instead of saying, I can't, say, I can, or say, I'm learning. Every time you open your mouth, plant seeds of faith, not fear, baby, okay? Tip number 4, keep it simple, not perfect, okay? You don't need it to be perfect. It is never going to be perfect, okay? Perfect is just procrastination in a fancy outfit. You don't need the perfect planner. You don't need the perfect moment. It's never going to be perfect. Just the right mindset and a little bit of action is all you need, okay? So get off your butt. Quit trying to wait for that perfect moment or when I have everything just right, because it's not. Make imperfect action or take imperfect action, okay? And tip number 5, reward yourself. So whenever you finish that task, celebrate. Blast your favorite song, dance in the kitchen. Thank God for progress, baby, because you're building a habit, not a high. Now, all right, best friend, that is your motivation and mindset Monday. Remember, progress over perfection, faith over fear. And if you need that daily push, your accountability auntie has got you covered, okay? So click the link in the bio and schedule your call, and let's turn that procrastination into purpose together. Until next time, bye.